Now that you're pro at squatting, we're gonna show you 3 of my favorite cues for deadlifting. It's very similar to a squat. You're gonna get about shoulder width apart. You wanna come all the way to your shins, so the bar is touching your shins. You're gonna squat down, shoulder width grip, and instead of bending the bar down when you're squatting, you're gonna come here and almost bend it towards you, like this a little bit. That's Q1, because that is also still engaging your lats. Your lats are a huge muscle group, and they help to stabilize your spine when you're taking on extreme forces and loads, such as deadlifting and squatting. So if your lats are engaged with these movements, it's gonna be much more prone to injury. Now that your lats are engaged, for Q2, we're gonna want our butt low, because a lot of people start their deadlifts and they muscle it up so much with their back. As you can see, my back is hunched. So you normally don't want to start off your deadlift with a rounded spine, because your spine's very strong. It can take on huge amounts of loads. But once you begin and you start unbending your spine, that's when the rotational aspect of your spine plus the weight is combined. And when you combine rotation plus a large amount of load, that's when you get injuries such as disc herniations, and that's what we're trying to avoid in this deadlift. So we're gonna put all the cues together. Bending the bar towards us, touching your shins, butt down, and you're going explosive through your legs and your butts here, because your legs are super powerful and strong, and you don't want to hurt your back. So we're going to initiate the deadlift with our legs, and at the end with your back. And don't just drop it, because that also throws a big wrench in your spine, because you're holding all this weight right now, and then all of a sudden there's no weight. So you want to be strong throughout the whole movement. So we're going to eccentrically lower it as well.